The high cost of a dream. The reality of owning a classic Mercedes SL, owning a vintage luxury icon, is often portrayed as the ultimate achievement in automotive lifestyle. However, for owners of the R129 generation Mercedes-Benz SL, the reality is a delicate balance between sentimental triumph and staggering maintenance costs. The hidden perils of aging electronics for Zhang Jie, owner of a 1993 Mercedes-Benz SL 500, the dream of owning a luxury vehicle, a goal he has held since his childhood in China came with a harsh technical reality. The primary issue wasn't just age, but a specific manufacturing flaw: biodegradable wiring insulation. In certain R129 models, the plastic sheathing around the electrical wiring was designed to break down over time. As the material becomes dry and brittle, it cracks, leaving live wires exposed. For Zhang, this manifested as engine misfires, eventually necessitating a complete replacement of the wiring harness. Complexity under the roof beyond the electrical gremlins. The SL's mechanical complexity presents another financial hurdle. The car's signature electrically powered folding roof is not a simple mechanism. It relies on a sophisticated hydraulic system. The scale of the task. The roof is operated by 12 individual hydraulic cylinders. The visual complexity. The internal mechanism is so dense with lines and components that it resembles central heating plumbing. The cost. Replacing these cylinders can cost as much as the electrical repairs, often totaling thousands of pounds in parts and labor. This complexity highlights a broader trend in classic car ownership. As vehicles move from modern classics to vintage icons, the specialized labor and parts required to maintain their sophisticated systems can become prohibitively expensive. A global journey and a personal milestone, Zhang's SL 500 is a true traveler, boasting a history that spans continents. Originally registered in Japan, it was later exported to Singapore before finally arriving in the United Kingdom in 2015. When Zhang purchased the vehicle in 2022, it had covered only 35,000 miles. Since then, he has added another 10,000 miles, choosing a pre-facelift model for its specific aesthetic. Unlike later versions, this model features a brutalist design with 3 vents on either side of the front end and a subtle two-tone silver paint scheme. I'd see a car like this and think, how could I ever be able to have one? And now I do. I still pinch myself. Conclusion: while the maintenance of a 33-year-old Mercedes SL can be both mechanically brutal and financially draining, for many, the fulfillment of a lifelong dream outweighs the high cost of preservation.